Say hello to University Commons Minneapolis, the perfect blend of comfort and community. Picture this, opening the door to your own room in opulent 1, 2 and 4 bedroom apartments. You take a relaxing nap in the full-sized bed, then sip some coffee on the couch, enjoying a movie on the flat-screen TV, and tick off all assignments from the dedicated study space. Unlock culinary paradise in a full-sized kitchen, well-equipped with modern appliances, and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. Plus, with in-unit washer and dryers, laundry day is a breeze. Convenience will be your bestie when lightning-fast Wi-Fi, trash and gas are included in your rent. Catch a workout at any time at the 24-hour fitness centre, then head to the Academic Success Centre with IMAX ready to roll. No need to say goodbye to your furry friends. This property is pet-friendly too. Primely located at SE Huron Blvd, travelling to campus is breezy. The University of Minnesota and Augsburg University are just minutes away. Grab your spot at University Commons Minneapolis now with amberstudent.com.